Hi guys, so I bought this new Black & Decker blender, and the thing I like about it is that it has this pour, two pours. One I take it is for heavy and one I take it is for low. I am just summarizing at this moment why are they looking like that. And this is, oh, my favorite color, come on now, it is red. So it has high and low, it has all of these things here that we can get it to be doing. Juice, we got like orange, we got vegetables. Number 10 is for ice, and yeah, it's for fruits and vegetable. So it's a well-rounded blender. But the thing about this blender that I really love, when I opened it, it has this curly thing at the back here. You know, when sometime you're finished with your blender and the cord is still hanging, what it does really, it conceals the cord within the bottom of the blender. This, guys, is what stunned me most of all. When I look at the blender, look what I see. I'm so accustomed to, you know, you're going into the box, pull out the blender, putting the cord into the port or into the wall or wherever you plug it in. When I look, this is what I see. It was totally sealed. This is to confirm that this blender has never ever been touched or been used. And that's the thing I love about it. That's the thing I love about it. So I'm gonna cut it. Guys, it's a Black & Decker. You remember back in the days, in the 70s and backward then, Black & Decker was the thing, eh? So I decided I would have gotten one more. And I'm gonna cut it. And there we go. It's good to go. So if it's cut, that means it has been used. So that's it, guys, and thumbs up to Black & Decker. This wasn't sponsored by them nor anything. I'm just saying I'm a regular purchaser of their brand, and I'm really stung by this. As I said, it has been years that I've been buying this particular brand and I've never seen anything like this. So I decided I would do a video on it, giving them thumbs up, and there you go. That's my blender. Awesome. I can't wait to use it. I'll follow up with another video of using the blender. Bye y'all.